Okay, so I guess to start, was there any questions on the little review stuff?
No.
Yeah, I understand it.
Okay, and let's move on to the quiz. Okay.
Is it the lesson 6?
It's lesson 7.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I was like, that doesn't.
Pretty sure. Yeah. So everyone have the quiz open?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. So use the applet to find the combined area under the standard normal curve that is to the right of z-score 1.358 and to the left of negative 1.358. So someone get an answer for that? I got 0.171.
Yeah. That's what I got.
Okay.
You got 0.171.
Yeah. Is that what you got?
-3. I got 5.
So when you put in the applet, did you, so you put the z-score of 1.0 or whatever the 358?
It was 1.358, right? Yeah, that's what I have.
And then you highlighted the outside ones.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Let me just reload the page, see what it does.
1.
Yeah. I don't. But you both got 1.7 or 0.171?
I did it again and I got 0.175.
Yeah, I just did that too. Kind of weird. I don't like how this thing's not consistent.
Yeah.
Every time I've done it, I've got 0.175.
Okay.
So okay. Yeah, so everyone good on that one, or did we not get?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. So, which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation if 9 observations are randomly drawn from a population? Shouldn't it be the distribution of a sample mean? X whatever? Where does that talk about?
No, the sample. Wait.
I
Oh
was
yeah,
gonna say that
that could change.
have a smaller. Oh yeah. Sample means. Yep,
Yeah.
I agree.
Okay. Which of the following results implies that the spread in X line, whatever it's called, decreases as the sample mean increases, or sample size increases? So, so it gets closer to the mean. That would be the law of large numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, to use this information, scores on a quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normal, distributed, and with mean 158.8 and a standard deviation of 8.8. Dan earns a score of 160. What is the z-score corresponding? So 160. What you guys get?
It's just what they got minus the mean, and then divided by the standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I got 1.0. 1.045.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Same. Okay, now what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE? So, what you guys get?
I got 0.148.
Yeah,
I got the same thing.
same. Okay. A random sample of 5 students were selected to take the GRE. Their scores were blank. What is the z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these students' scores? So, so with this one, what would we subtract from the normal mean?
I think you find the mean of the 5 samples
Find the mean.
and use that.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, you find the mean, but then do you still?
You
Well,
use
and then
that.
use the mean.
Oh, the mean
What
would be
they
that
gave us.
first X. So it'd be
Yeah. So in what they gave us originally, that the mean is 160, or where is it? 150.8.
And then would this one be the one where we divide by standard deviation and what's the square root
Yeah.
of the number?
You would.
So 0.8 divided by square root. So did you guys get an answer?
I'm still working on it. So the square root of, so it's 8. So you're going to divide by 8.8 divided by the square root of 5
Yeah.
Yeah.
because it's n there. So 2.338.
That's what I got.
I got.
Okay. So what is the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem? Wouldn't it be 0.0097? Or
What's the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that's greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem?
yeah.
Did you guys skip 7? Where am I?
I also got 0.0097 back.
No.
So, but then you just round to 0.010. And Mark, did you not get 7?
No, I did. I just typed in the wrong numbers
Oh.
to the wrong.
So 7's 0.148, right?
Yeah.
And then 8 would be the 2.338.
Yep.
And Mac, you said 0.10, but it's to 4 decimal places.
Does this one say 4? Okay, so then yeah. Okay, I thought it was still 3.
Okay, so it's just 0.0097, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose the mean GPA of BYUI students is 3.5 and the standard deviation is 0.7. It is well known that the distribution is less skewed. A random sample of 81 students will be drawn. What will the shape of the so what will the shape be? So if it's left skewed, but we have 81, should be normal.
Yeah. Approximately normal.
Like it should be approximately normal.
Okay. So what is the mean of the distribution of the sample means for all possible samples of size 81 that could be drawn from the parent population? Shouldn't the mean be the same?
Yeah, it would be 3.5.
Okay. So what is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means for all possible? So standard deviation.
So is that the same as well?
No, so it would be you divide by the square root of the n.
Oh,
So 0.7. We're still doing 3 or is it 4 now?
It's
Oh,
3.
Still 3.
3.
Okay, did you guys get an answer?
0.078.
That's what I got.
Okay. What is the probability that the mean GPA for 81 randomly selected BYUI students will be less than 3.3? So, 3 minus. Yeah. Did you get something?
Yeah, 0.005.
Yeah. So, what is the probability that the mean will be greater than 3.3?
Oh, greater.
Hmm.
Same answer.
Well, yeah, 995. Is
It's weird.
you do what we just got, 0.005 minus 1 to get everything else?
Yeah, or you can just highlight the other section. Use your 0.995 either way, I guess.
There.
Yeah.
What you got, yeah?
Okay. Last one. Okay. United States Coast Guard assumes that the mean weight of passengers in commercial boats is 185 pounds. The previous values was lower, but was raised after a traffic boating accident. The standard deviation of passengers' weights is 26.7 pounds. The weight of the random sample is 48 commercial boat passengers were recorded. The sample mean was determined to be 177.6 pounds. Find the probability that the random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme than that observed in the sample. Did you guys get an answer?
So is it just that you highlight the farthest ends?
Yeah, the ends.
So you get 0.0549 is what I got.
Yeah, that's what I got too. Monica, did you get that?
Oh, hold on. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how we did. Okay. Got 100.
Sweet.
Okay. And we have our test next week, right?
I
Yeah.
think so.
Is there a certain day we have to take it by, or is it just really any day?
I don't know. I haven't looked that hard at it, I guess.
Yeah. And we just have our review. That's our first group meeting is just review.
Yeah, I think so.
With it being open notes, it shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, it should be good. So, 10, does 10:30 work for you guys on Tuesday? Or 10:45, depending on class gets out.
Yeah, that should be
Okay.
fine.
Okay. Thank you for starting the calls, Mac, and posting the links.
No problem.
And I hope you guys have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too.
See you guys Tuesday.
Thank you.
See ya.
Okay, Tuesday sounds good.